For this episode, pag-usapan naman natin ang Moon. Moon as the planet of emotions, needs, and inner security. Sa bawat desisyon na ginagawa mo, hindi lang utak ang involved. May parte sa'yo na nagre-react, nagdadrama, natatakot, at nagko-comfort. And that's your Moon. Sa astrology, the Moon represents your emotions, your emotional memory, your needs for comfort and safety, your inner child, and how you respond sa life when no one is watching. Sino si Moon sa mythology? Sa Greek mythology, ang Moon ay si Selene, goddess of the moon na nagdadala ng ilaw sa gabi. Tahimik pero powerful. She controls tides, moods, and magic. Moon is feminine energy, soft pero strong, receptive pero intuitive. At tulad sa langit, paiba-ibang anyo niya. Ganun din tayo emotionally. The Moon rules Cancer, sign of home, family, and emotions. Kaya kung nasaan ang Moon mo sa chart, doon mo mararamdaman ang need to feel safe, emotional patterns mo, kung paano ka nagko-comfort sa sarili mo, at minsan, paano ka rin nagre-react nang hindi mo alam. Dahil ang Moon is emotional autopilot mo. Ano ba ang Moon at past life na dala ng mismong kaluluwa natin? Madalas ang Moon sign ay may connection sa karma with the mother or feminine energy. It's either ikaw yung nag-aalaga ngayon or ikaw yung iniwan. Pwede rin namang past life na emotionally repressed ka, kaya ngayon, hypersensitive or guarded ka. Soul memory of trauma or abandonment, which means ngayon, need mo ng deep security. You lived in survival mode emotionally, kaya ngayon, you seek comfort or clinginess. You gave emotional care but didn't receive it back, kaya ngayon, tinuturo sa'yo ni Moon, you deserve to be held too. Ano ang Moon lessons? Sabi ni Moon, it's okay to feel. Moon reminds you, your feelings are valid kahit hindi logical. Your needs matter kahit hindi mo sinasabi. And your emotional life deserves space, not suppression. Minsan, gusto natin maging strong all the time. Pero si Moon ang nagsasabi, true strength is knowing when to feel and how to care for yourself. Paano tayo mag-align sa ating Moon energy? Check in with your emotions, hindi lang physical needs. Create emotional safety through routine, rest, or rituals. Build safe space and relationships. Honor your Moon sign, alamin ang style mo sa pag-comfort sa sarili. Be gentle with your inner child, hindi mo kailangan lagi maging okay lagi. Sabi ni Moon, feel it, don't fight what is real inside. Dahil ang damdamin mo ay hindi kahinaan. Ito ang daan ng soul mo para bumalik sa sarili mo. This is Astro Pinas Podcast where spirit meets the stars, the Pinoy way. Kita-kits tayo mga ka-Moonbeam!